Hey everybody, I just wanted to do this opening today. This is for the Soul Spell Society September. Can you believe it's September? September 2021 box. It says stay in your magic, soulspellsociety.com. So let's get into this. I had already taken it out of the packaging from the United States Postal Service. So there's that. All right, I'm so excited to see what's in here. All right, let's go. If I can get it open. Ooh, okay. Now this is gonna be my first box that I've ever gotten that's not the Novice box. So this is, I guess, technically my first actual box. That's a really cool little wax seal too. All righty, and I see some cards, Sun Magic. I guess this is going to tell me everything that's in it. Oh, here's a calendar, Harvest Moon. I need to add my calendar. There you go, for September 2021. So I will put these off to the side for now. This is Solar Magic and more information. So we'll get into this. Ooh, okay. Oh, I love goodies. Oh, how pretty. This looks like a really cool little necklace. Pretty long necklace. And it kind of looks like a tarot or sun. You see that? Tarot card maybe with a sun. That's really cool. And it's it says 18 karat gold stainless, so it's probably coated. Very cool. And then we've got this, which is Soul Luz Ritual Oil. Nice. And I see some floaties. Looks like there's maybe some gold in there, maybe. And Carnelian and Calendula. Nice. And then we've got, I've got some incense. Sun Salutation Incense. I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, it's cinnamon, chamomile, wormwood, and wild cherry bark. It smells earthy to me. I like it, seeing as those are some earthy smells. Then we have the, this is called The Sun, natural, oh, it's a ritual witch salt. Ritual bath salt, I guess. Oh, sorry. That's what it looks like. I see Calendula again in there. Again, smells pretty earthy. I can smell, it smells very similar to how the incense smells. Pretty cool stuff. Himalayan salt, orange peel, calendula. Nice. And then we've got the, these are Sunray Ritual Altar candles. Beeswax candles, really cute. Little flowers, nice. I feel like I'm gonna drop them. We got our butterscotch. My husband's gonna steal those. And then we have, oh, Carnelian. Love a good Carnelian. It's like the TikTok trend right now is the Carnelian. This is pretty nice. Digging it. Nice size. Pretty stone. And it's got the little card that tells you about it as well. And this cute little bag. There's your information on Carnelian, Stone of Energy. Self-esteem, endurance, and courage. I need to have to put that on my, put that on my office chair. Oh, it fell on the floor. Survived its all in one piece, see? All right. Then we have, oh, this pretty little gold sack. Let's see what's in here. Oh, all kinds of stuff. Ooh, candles. Okay, yes, I have pink and gold candles. Here's pink. This is set. And, ooh, these are falling out. Let's see what these say. These say rise. Oh, like sun, get it? Rise and set. There we go. I'm assuming this is part of a ritual. Yeah, let's Let's see what else we got in here. This bag's really cool. And these are, here's the spell kit. It says 4 slips of paper, pen, fireproof dish, 4 candles. You have a sunset spell and a sunrise spell, and that's probably how you do it. Oh, these are so cool. And these are like the papers that you write your stuff on. So I guess this is for sunrise. As the sun begins to rise, new beginnings and fresh starts. I'm attracting this, so this is what you're attracting. Pretty cool. Oh, yeah. And then there's sunset like on the back. So this is, I'm assuming this is what you want to release, yeah? This no longer serves me, I release. Yeah, that is freaking cool. Dig, dig, dig. I don't think there's anything else in there. Yeah, that is really cool. I dig that a lot. That's a brilliant idea. Probably something people should be doing every day. Okay, now we are to the sun catcher. Let's see here. Pull out my trusty little knife here. I'm assuming it's a sun catcher because everything in here is something sun. Oh, ooh, okay. All right. Ooh. Pretty. Okay. Hold on, I got pieces going on here. I don't want to break anything. Goodness gracious. Are we upside down, right side up? Here we go. That is so cool. Okay, hold on, let me get this piece out. I don't break anything. Yes, that's awesome. It's hard to see because my camera is so close, but that is freaking awesome. That's going in my office. Although I bet you'd be really pretty if it went outside too, so. Yes, that's beautiful. I am a fan. Nice, cool. Okay, let's put this over here. Alrighty. And then we have, is this my last guy? Yeah, that's my last guy. This is sun blanket. We have a blanket. All right, let's see. Cool. Oh, and it's got like the little pin things if you want to hang it on the wall, like a tapestry. So it's probably a tapestry blanket. Okay, yeah, this guy's huge. Huge. Oh, that's cool. It's like the phases here. Hold on. Oh, I know you cannot even see this. All right, you know what? I'm gonna stand back. I will open this up. Okay, so I just put it on my kitchen floor. How cool is that? It is huge. Absolutely huge. I'm digging that a lot. Very pretty. And I love the dusty kind of purpley rose colors in there. That is super neat. I'm a fan. All right, let me get my camera set back up. Okay, so yeah, that's really cool. I've got this really awesome blanket, tapestry type thing. I'm gonna put that right there. This little ritual set is awesome with the candles, and then there's the directions and this notepad thing, which I'm totally digging. Totally digging. There we go. I'll get you in frame. A little bag that comes with it, as well as the ritual bath, the ritual oil. This, which I'm gonna pop out and wear really soon because it's so cute, necklace. And our Carnelian stone, as well as the incense. Goodness gracious, there's so much in this box. The candles, the sunray candles, and this very cool sun catcher, which I'm gonna put in here as well. Oh my goodness, I totally feel like there's so much value in this box. I'm loving, loving, loving it. And then I'm just gonna leave the cards for you guys to, if you wanna screenshot that, you can. But I would suggest you get your own box so you can get all the card information that you need from them as well. And there's your calendar and everything that's in the box. So very cool. I am such a fan. So if you like these, I would really appreciate if you would give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's new. I actually have a couple other channels too. One's on RVing. It's called Mealy's Way, and it's going to be linked below. And I also have another channel called Tidy with Teresa because I'm a freak about organizing. But go ahead and give this one a couple thumbs up, likes, subscribe. Let's get this channel going too, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.